Okay guys, I have a question for you, so this video will be short. But hey guys, it's me, and today I have a question for you. And it will be short. And I wanted to ask you, how do I go live? And I have one more question. How do I share my screen? Like, I don't know that. I'm not new. I've been on here for at least 2 or 3 years. And honestly, I have like 100 and something videos on a different app. I used to be on Likey, but my mom thought it was like TikTok. And it kind of is. It has a tiny bit more bad words, but it's meant for kids. For like at least 10 or over. And I don't know why there are grown-ups on it. There's even a rule that says 10 and over. But oh my god, it's Likey. And I don't like it. I don't that's how my mom doesn't like it, because she knows there are grown-ups. She even went through it and found freaking grown-ups on it. So I'm like, you freaking grown-ups got me. So get away from Likey. And Likey was my only hope. My friends. My friend logo. I just got done doing that. So like my second question is like, how would you share your screen? So I'm like, one side when you're like this, and you're on this side, and then the other side is like something you would share. But I don't know how to do that. So comment down below what you think. Not now, because I have to do it. I have to, while you're watching it, don't do it. After you watch it, do it. Like, you can while you watch it, but you have to wait a few minutes because I have to turn on the comments. Some of my new videos don't have the comments turned on. And some of my old ones don't. My new ones, I tried my best to turn them all on. It's like really complicated. So, those are my questions. And comment down below if you know how. Bye! Why don't you go? Go, shoot. Bye!